First, what I'm going to do is explain what the 3 bottles are. So this is the CBD Restore. This is your CBD. It's an anti-inflammatory. It helps with pain. This is your Unwind. This is your nighttime THC. It's going to also help with pain, anxiety. It will help you sleep, calm you down, get you through the night. This is your Uplift, the daytime THC. Also going to help with pain, anxiety, but it's going to give you a little mental clarity for the day, give you a little bit of energy. The CBD, along with the 2 THCs, create the entourage effect, which is what we use in fighting disease. So they each have a separate job to do, but in the full protocol together, they work together to stop mutating cells and help bring the body back to homeostasis.